Have you ever felt that you're about to faint? You felt the surroundings rotate around you? Or experienced a temporary loss of vision or blind spots? At times followed by a headache. These are symptoms of dizziness. It is generally accompanied by a slow or irregular pulse, feeling of lightheadedness, pain in the eye, and ringing ears. But what causes dizziness? The brain is responsible for processing information from our eyes, ears, and nervous system, which helps us maintain our balance. This processing gets affected due to lack of sufficient blood supply to the brain. It can happen due to a drop in blood pressure, weakness resulting from bouts of vomiting, fever, diarrhea, or dehydration. Dizziness also could be a result of low blood sugar, new spectacles, rapid motion, or an injury. Here are a few home remedies to help slow down the damage caused by dizziness. In case of low blood sugar, take 1 glass of water, squeeze half a lime into it, add 2 teaspoons of sugar, mix it well. This mixture will help you stabilize your blood sugar level. Take 1 teaspoon of nutmeg powder, also known as jaifal. Add to it 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, also known as jeera. Mix it well. Have this mixture at least 3 times a day. This remedy is useful if you suffer from periodic bouts of dizziness. Consume vitamin A and C rich fruits like Indian gooseberry, also known as amla. Take 2 to 3 Indian gooseberries, cut them into small pieces and crush them well. Add them to a glass of water. Add 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds. Allow this mixture to soak overnight. Drink this water after straining the residue. Eat well and take care of yourself.
For more such natural home remedies, visit www.homeveda.com.